the 27th of July 2023, from line 3, Mr. Usteyn, we must keep in mind if we are working to work on the cell phone downloads. With the download of the phone, you must always add plus 2 hours to the time which is being mentioned on the download. So if the download says it's 4 o'clock, then it is at least 6 o'clock.
Yes, sir. I've drawn your attention, Colonel, to what you said at page 84 of your Exhibit 01. I'll now proceed to the transcripts. The record of the 27th of July 2023 at page 71. At page 71 of the transcribed record of the 27th of July 2023, I'm going to read from line 1. It is a download summary of cell phone with number 27608040436 Longwe, Thala. Mr. Baloyi, yes. Mr. Usteyn, that is where we have to add the 2 hours. Mr. Baloyi, yes. If you can refer to page 46 of the same exhibits and page 46. So now I'm just reading this in conjunction with the extracts of the record on the 27th July 2023 at page 69, where you said the following, and I quote, "We must keep in mind we are going to work on cell phone downloads. With the download of the phone, you must always add plus 2 hours on the time which is being mentioned on the download." Close quotation. And you were specific. Colonel, I'm saying that when one reads what I've quoted at page 71, where you said the following, and I quote, "That is where we have to add the 2 hours," close to quotation. That is where you have to add the 2 hours when you are working on the download summary of the number 27608040436 Longwe, Thala. Is not what you are saying, Colonel?
No comment.
On page 23 of your exhibit 01, that information which is in the table there, Colonel, is it information from the downloads, or is it information from the Section 205 records from Vodacom, or is it the information that you got from the central database of the police at that time? Where did you get this information, Colonel?
Well, as I already understand, it's from the Section 205 and the downloads.
So this information appears from the Section 205 records from Vodacom. Is that what you are saying?
Both.
The Section 205 records which were compiled by Ms. Pinky Vitilingam.
That's right, as well as the download compiled by Sergeant Maswidi.
If that is so, you worked on the Section 205 records which were compiled by Ms. Pinky Vitilingam, which is what I've referred you to at Exhibit J1. The said information is in stark contrast. Colonel, do you confirm that?
Because we got 2 different documents.
Colonel, please, I'm at Exhibit J1, it's at page 1586 of 4649. If you say that that is the exhibit from Vodacom compiled by Ms. Pinky Vitilingam, so do you agree with me, Colonel, if you say you worked on that document? In relation to the other party, the information is in stark contrast. It's east and west. You confirm that?
No, my lord, I can only say I work on the document I got in my position from Vodacom, which got the same case ID as the one Miss Pinky was compiling for her statement.
May the court bear with me. We have worked on exhibit J1, Colonel. Do you still have it in your possession, exhibit J1?
It's in my position.
Yes. Is it also correct, Colonel, that you worked on this at page, I'll tell you now, of your exhibit 01. At page 34 of your exhibit 01, Colonel, you have worked on this, where you attribute certain numbers to certain individuals. And are you at page 34, Colonel, of exhibit 01, your affidavit?
Indeed, page 24.
Page 34, Colonel. To whom do you attribute the number ending 1330? Page.
Is it on my page 24?
Page 34 of your exhibit, your affidavit 01.
The number ending with 331.
1330. Are you at page 34 of your affidavit, Colonel, exhibit 01?
Yes, I'm on that
Yes,
page.
you see there is a number ending 1330 at the bottom of the page, on your right of the page.
That's correct.
Yes. To whom do you attribute that number?
Come again?
To whom does that number, according to the downloads, to whom does it belong?
It belonged to Alpha Mafokati.
And on your left, the number ending 9551, to whom does it belong in terms of your analysis?
95?
51.
Senzo.
That Mr. Mxolisi, the deceased.
That's correct.
You indicated that you do have exhibit J1 in your possession. On the 2nd of August 2014 at 2200 hours 23 seconds, what happened there in that transaction? Can you tell the court?
My lord is referring now to J1 or to my document which I'm working from.
J1, the
No,
one
I
from
can't
Vodacom.
reply on her statement.
As an expert, the analyst from the Southern Police Service, you cannot tell the court what happened there, what transaction.
I can, but
is
I
it?
didn't work on that document. I already mentioned to the court I'm working on a different document.
Is it correct then, Colonel, if you cannot do that, I can do it. Is it correct that on the 2nd of August 2014 at 2200 hours 40 minutes 23 seconds, the number ending 1330 made a call to the number ending 358. Do you confirm that?
No comment, my lord. I'm not going to comment on her statement. I must go to my own working document.
Is it the document you said it's not with you?
No, it's with me,
Yes,
but
what-
it's not the same as J. If I go and go through her, I can read the
Oh, okay, no,
the
it's fine. What does your document says then in relation to that transaction?
If you read her statement on paragraph, let's say 9, it was a call made or call received from the number 278345713330. That is from her. But now you must also remember her statement doesn't include the cell phone download.
As a good case, the witnesses already answered. I think it's unfair. What my learned friend is doing is comparing the what the witnesses direct calls as compared to the downloads, and the witnesses repeatedly said that these were the calls were made using data. We submit, my lord, that it's unfair to compare the two as they are different.
Yeah, unless we don't understand the evidence as extrapolated by the Kenyan. So they can ask those questions. But maybe you, because you understand the theory and the concept and the science as explained by the Kenyan, you may think it's superior.
What does your document say, Colonel, in relation to that transaction on the 2nd of August 2014? You say you did not work on this document. What does your document say? What happened on the 2nd of August 2014? At 2200 hours, 20 minutes, 23 seconds.
I only got my document is only on a GPRS stream.
Oh, you don't have this one?
No,
You did not work on this one?
no. Having the call the whole time.
Yeah, but this witness said that always, and then you added a tail to say, since you are an expert, are you not able to comment on it? Long said he never worked on that document.
So when you, I just want, because it will assist me later on. So at no stage when you commence the analysis in this case on the 9th of April 2020, you came across this document as Exhibit KK1.
No, not that document.
So the information that appears at page 23 in that table, you said it is from the downloads and from your spreadsheet, which you don't have with you now.
Yes.
When can you bring that spreadsheet, Colonel?
If I got the hard drive with me, I can look at for tonight. Otherwise, I don't think I got it.
So that spreadsheet is a spreadsheet of the downloads by Captain Mxolisi.
It's two different ones.
And from where?
And the other one is a statement from Vodacom.
Oh, the one which contains the statement of from Vodacom, where is it?
I can go and look for it tonight. It must be on my hard drive.
So the one from Vodacom, Colonel, is it AMA data or is it GPRS data?
It's GPRS
Data.
And I think I must have both, but let me just double check first.
You must let us know. I'll come back to this, Colonel, because I'm waiting for that information. I want us now, Colonel, to go to Exhibit KK. I'll tell you now, there are so many triple Ks here. Triple K2, Colonel, of the record. Exhibit triple K2. Colonel, where did you get that document? Exhibit triple K2.
Document triple K2.
From the download.
Of Captain Mxolisi.
That's correct.
Did I get you very well, Colonel, when you said that NA means the number ending 202 was saved in the phone, the handset of the number ending 358 by NA? Did I get you correctly?
That's correct.
Colonel, when did you receive the downloads of Captain Mxolisi? Do you remember?
But also during 2020 when I started with the assisting with the investigation, that
All
time
right.
sometime.
What you savings?
Is it correct, Colonel, that there is nowhere in your Exhibit 01 where you mentioned that the number ending 9202 was saved as NA in the contact list of the number ending 358, which belonged to Miss Kelly Kumar?
No,
You
I
understand
didn't,
the question?
I didn't mention it then. But my lord, if I can
So-
remember
sorry.
correct, I did mention that from the Cleveland downloads, I pick up the number being saved on that phone. And during my analysis through the A&B program, I did connected it to a name.
No, you are right. I remember that evidence, but in this one you say you did not. It was very important, Colonel, you agree with me to mention this in your affidavit that on top of this, the number ending 9202 was saved as NA in the number ending 358 belonging to Miss Kelly Kumar. It was very important to do that.
I already mentioned to the court, at that stage, Kelly Nxumalo was only a person of interest.
Is it correct, Colonel, that I'm now moving on to exhibit, I'm done now because it's glaring that you did not say this in your affidavit, despite some attempts to bring this to life. So, I'm now at exhibit KK4. That is now, Colonel, in that entry of the 2nd of August 2014 at 10:47 p.m. UCT, open bracket, device, close bracket, 0150 device, page 23. You see that transaction, Colonel?
The date again?
The transaction of the 2nd of August 2014
That's correct?
at 10:47 p.m. You see that transaction?
That's
Right. When you look, just Colonel, in the transaction for the received call, which is just above that, Colonel, there's just one transaction in between, 277270888175. That number which made a call to the number ending 358 was from Twana. You see that?
That's correct?
Yes. Is it correct that in respect of other pages it will appear who made a call, whether it's a received call or a missed call to the number ending 358? Do you confirm that? The name will appear from whom that transaction is coming from.
If it's not been destroyed by the delete, or let me say during the boot up section, it should be, if it was a normal download of a phone, it should be there.
Is it correct, Colonel, that on page 1 of exhibit KK4, that is on the 24th, 2014 0802 at 10:47 p.m. The name of a person who made a call to the number ending 358 does not appear. Do you confirm that?
That's correct?